4:15 p.m. June 29th, 2024. Severe thunderstorm, 60 to 70 mile an hour winds, approaching from the west. Wow! I'm gonna go right. Stay ahead of this a little bit. Wow.